Money Monday, presented by Oklahoma Central Credit Union.
Oh, it's Money Monday, a segment here at 4 o'clock where we talk about easy-to-understand ways to navigate our finances. We do it with the help of our friend and financial expert, Paul Hood from Hood CPAs. Paul, how are you this Monday?
I am outstanding, Brian. The sun's out. It's a gorgeous new week.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. I want to get to our questions. We have some great questions this week. I know you already addressed this one a couple of times, but I want to get it in for Dale. Dale writes in asking you, will the stimulus checks have to be claimed as income on our 2020 tax returns? Lots of folks wondering the answer to this. Paul?
Sure. So typically, anything you pay to the federal government is not deductible. And anything you get back from the federal government is not taxable. So no, the stimulus check is not taxable. If it was coming from the state of Oklahoma, then it might be taxable, but it's not when it's federal.
All right. Quick answer there. Wes writes in asking you, what investments would you recommend when there's a bear market? What about when there is a period of high inflation?
So that's a good question. But the problem is I can't answer it unless I know more about the person and what phase in life they are in, Brian, because you've heard me talk before about people typically go through two phases in life, one an accumulation phase and one a distribution phase. In an accumulation phase, risk is our friend and we want to harness risk. In the distribution phase, risk is not our friend, so we want to minimize or transfer risk. So if he's in the accumulation phase, get excited when there's a down market because you want to buy things while you're on sale. Well, it's on sale. So if you're in the accumulation phase, you're buying in hopefully every single month. So when the market is down, then it allows you to reduce your cost basis. To make it easier to make money. When you're in the distribution phase, though, then yeah, there are some annuity type products that work real well for a certain type of people. There are strategies to where you break your portfolio up into three different type investments where one has about 24 months worth of income stream in it, and you are taking all your money from there, and then so that you can have the rest of your money that you're not selling right now stay into traditional investments.
All right, it's the time of year, of course, where a lot of us are setting goals for the year. Jordan writes in asking you, what are 3 things that I should do this month to make sure I am set up for financial success in 2021?
So to be successful in anything, and I don't care what it is, whether it's exercise or finances or whatever, the first step is you have to identify where you are right now. So take the last 12 months of your bank statements, credit card statements, figure out where your money's going, categorize it for the last 12 months to see exactly month by month where your money's going. Then we have to figure out where you want to go. So that means creating a budget or a pro forma, whatever. So you take where your money's been going and figure out where you want it to go. And then the third thing and most important thing is, regardless of where you're at right now, is start saving. Save 10% if you can of your net so that you create a lifestyle that where you live on 70 to 80% of what you make. So we control your lifestyle, success will follow.
All right, and it doesn't matter if you make a little bit of money or have a lot of money, right? It's important to know where that money is going.
But you've got to know where it's going. But if you don't know where it's going, you can't control it. A budget is actually you telling your money where to go. And we have to know where it's been going before we can get started. And that's often a fun thing to do.
I think we'd all be surprised if we sit down with pen and paper and realize where our money went over the past 12 months. I think that'd be very interesting. We should all do that, yeah?
Absolutely, Brian. I've had people that come in and they have 5 XM radios they're paying for, and they have 3 cars. So there's things like that happen.
All right, Paul, great stuff as always today. And if you're watching right now, you have a financial question you want us to chat about next Monday, you can send in your question right now to moneymonday@griffin.news.